For 2 decades, our smartphones have been a glass rectangle we hold in our hands. But this design is dying. What if the next phone isn't a phone at all? What if it's invisible? Welcome back to FutureTech Vision. I'm Alex, and today we're reditching the glass slab to explore the radical innovations that will define the smartphone of the future. We're breaking down the 5 biggest changes coming your way, from mind-blowing holographic displays that float in midair to neuro-interfaces that let you control everything with just a thought. This isn't science fiction anymore. Get ready to see the next generation of personal technology unfold right before your eyes. So buckle up and let's dive into what's coming next. Ever feel like your phone screen is just a bit too small? What if it could disappear completely? Imagine this. You place your phone on a table and bam, a full-sized, glowing keyboard projects right onto the desk. Or maybe you want to watch a movie. Just point it at a wall and you've got a giant screen. This isn't science fiction. It's the future with holographic projection and dynamic surface technology. But what about the phone itself? Forget buying a new one every year. The future is modular. Need a pro-level camera for your vacation? Just snap on a powerful lens block. Running low on power during a long day? Click on an extra energy pack. The core of your phone remains the same, but you customize the hardware for whatever you need, whenever you need it. Ever felt that panic when your phone is at 1%? Well, get ready to say goodbye to battery anxiety forever. Future smartphones won't just have better batteries. They'll make charging a thing of the past. Imagine your phone using a solid-state battery, constantly and passively soaking up energy from the Wi-Fi signals and radio waves all around us. You'd never have to plug it in again. And what about when we upgrade? The endless cycle of electronic waste is a huge problem. But the phones of tomorrow will tackle this head-on. They'll be built with self-healing materials that can instantly repair scratches, and every single component will be fully recycled. The idea of just throwing away an old phone will seem as ancient as a rotary dial. It's a future that's not just smarter, but truly sustainable. Ever wonder what comes after 5G? Welcome to the future of connectivity, beyond 6G. We're talking about a world where connection is truly instant and global. Imagine speeds in the terahertz range, making today's 5G feel like old-school dial-up. Downloading your entire movie library? That'll take less than a second. Picture a sprawling, futuristic city where massive data beams connect everything in the blink of an eye. But it's not just about speed. Beyond 6G will completely revolutionize how we interact with technology. Your phone will become the central hub for mind-blowing augmented and virtual reality. Data will stream directly to your smart glasses or even contact lenses, seamlessly merging the digital and physical worlds. Imagine walking down the street with directions, messages, and health stats floating right in your field of view. Tired of feeling like your private data is an open book? Well, get ready for a future where your phone is a digital fortress. First up, say goodbye to hackable encryption. Right now, our security can be cracked. But the next generation of phones will use something called quantum key distribution, or QKD. Imagine sending a message that's fundamentally impossible to intercept without being detected. This isn't science fiction. It's the future of unhackable communication. Your texts, calls, and files will be safer than ever before. And what about your personal info? Future operating systems will have zero-knowledge privacy. This means your phone's AI can learn to help you without ever seeing your actual data or sending it to the cloud. Your information stays locked right on your device where it belongs. The future is private, secure, and it's coming soon to the phone in your pocket. What if I told you the smartphone of the future won't even be a phone? It won't be a device you hold in your hand. Instead, it'll be an invisible, modular, and neural interface, connecting you to the world at the speed of thought. Imagine holographic displays appearing right before your eyes. Think about a neural connection that lets you control everything with your mind. Consider modular pieces you can swap out and upgrade instantly. And picture quantum computing power making everything instantaneous. This isn't science fiction. It's the horizon of technology. So here's the big question. Which of these futuristic features are you most excited about? Holographic displays or a brain-computer interface? Let me know in the comments below. If you want the real, raw truth about the future of technology, smash that subscribe button and the bell icon. See you next time, visionaries.